Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Warning, Shiba Inu holders brace for a $2.8 billion earthquake. Explained. Shiba Inu, one of the most popular Ethereum-based meme coins, registered a massive 9% decline in its 7-day performance. This sparked fear in the SHIB community. Recently, ShibBurn, a Twitter handle that posts updates about SHIB token burns, mentioned that a total of 3,785,744,343 tokens were burned in August alone. In this video, we will talk about warning. Shiba Inu holders brace for a $2.8 billion earthquake. Explained. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Let's see what Shiba Inu is doing on the 4th of September. After a classic rectangle bottom setup, SHIB flipped the $0.01217 mark from resistance to immediate support. With buyers finding rebounding grounds at this support level, SHIB witnessed a pattern breakout towards the basis line of its Bollinger Bands. A potential close above this line could position the meme coin for a sustained upside in the coming sessions. Post maintaining its sideways track for over 2 months, SHIB bulls have depicted a gradual increase in their force. The buyers kept building up on their underlying pressure, as reflected last month's rectangle breakout. Despite witnessing a 3-week falling wedge decline, the buying power recouped at the $0.01217 level to inflict a breakout rally. With the 20 EMA still swaying above the 50 EMA, the bulls would strive to maintain their edge. Any bearish crossovers could hint at a potential invalidation. As the upper and lower band of the BB look toward each other, SHIB could see a low volatility phase in the coming days. A hike beyond the basis line in the $0.0129 region can open up recovery gateways towards the $0.0134 to $0.0138 range. Any decline below the $0.01217 baseline would confirm a bearish resurgence and potentially hint at a sustained decline. After barely penetrating above the midline, the relative strength index saw a slight appreciation in buying edge. However, the buyers must push for a consistent close above the 50 level to capitalize on the recent breakout. Also, the CMF's lower trues bullishly diverged with the price action. A sustained growth above the -0.12 mark could confirm the bullish bias. This is even though the ADX was on a consistent downtrend for the last few weeks. Finally, the altcoin shares a 49% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Hence, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with overall market sentiment could be essential in identifying any bullish invalidations. A lot is going on in the crypto market as we speak, and it seems like the coins that have been somehow forgotten seem to re-emerge and cause quite a stir these days. Elon Musk, a billionaire with quite a strong opinion about all the happenings in the crypto world, has been quite vocal about Shiba Inu. People cannot fully understand why Shiba Inu is the best meme coin to invest in this bear market. There has been an announcement that Shiba Inu's metaverse will be called Oshiverse. We can see so far that Shiba Inu is adapting to the market's demands even faster than expected. With so many projects being announced or already in use, it is no wonder the founders of Shiba Inu want to offer something new to their faithful audience. It is one of the most viewed coins on Twitter. The social media platform has shown numerous times that it dictates trends and greatly influences the opinion of crypto enthusiasts looking to invest in a new interesting coin or to find out more about coins that are gaining attention repeatedly. Ryoshi created Shiba Inu and presented this coin with a recognizable dog as a trademark that we all noticed quickly. It is a widely popular meme coin that many people want to own. If anyone knows about the breed Shiba Inu, the first association will be the coin, not the actual thing you're talking about. This says plenty about the kind of interest people have in cryptocurrencies. Every new coin that appears gets immediate attention. Holding Shiba Inu coins brings many benefits, such as the possibility of trading for fiat currencies or even exchanging for Bitcoin. One of the largest Shiba Inu whales had transferred almost 2 trillion SHIB to its balance, reaching a dollar value of $22 million at the time of purchase. This was done in 24 hours, and data shows that this wallet is the 6th largest Shiba Inu wallet, with more than $319 million worth of SHIB tokens on its balance. Large transactions like this are not strange in the Shiba Inu community, but given their size, they tend to raise eyebrows. This particular wallet's owner is unknown, which has been a major subject of contention in the community. Some speculate that it might belong to a private investor or a team wallet, but there is the possibility that this is an exchange wallet, meaning that its balances could belong to thousands of investors. There are other large investors of Shiba Inu who are widely tracked. Most of them are also Ethereum whales and have been some of the largest supporters of the meme coin. Shib investments thinned down about 85% last year, dropping from a collective dollar value of more than $1 billion to around $152 billion. The dollar value of the Shib holdings of the largest Ethereum whales dropped last year. Now, while some of this decline has come from the whales themselves selling some of their tokens, they have also seen their positions suffer as a result of the downtrend that it has suffered. Data from Masari shows that Shiba Inu, currently ranked as the 13th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is down more than 85% from its all-time high. Most of its investors had gotten into the digital asset during the bull market, so profitability has tanked across the board. On Sunday, the price of Shib had spiked 9% upwards to $0.00001340. But before the day was over, the meme coin had shared most of these gains. This inability to retain value, coupled with the bear market, has seen Shiba Inu investors emerge as one of the worst-hit communities. Though the Shib burn protocol brought hope of brighter days, the chart reflected otherwise. At the time of writing, Shib was trading at $0.00001226 with a market capitalization of $6,725,682,032. The good news is that despite Shib's recent price actions, developers are leaving no stone unturned to boost the burn policy. This can be considered a positive sign for investors looking for long-term returns. Uniswap recently started supporting the burn protocol. The burn process was intended to help the token increase its price. What help this development brought might soon reflect on Shib's daily chart, which at the press time mainly was painted red. Apart from the burn protocol last week, Shib developers also published a blog that mentioned important updates related to the much-talked-about Shib metaverse. According to the developers, they have been working on establishing the core structure of the metaverse since the third floor announcement. The developers said, "This core structure is a combination of best practices and members that will work in order to achieve truly an immersive experience worthy of the Shiba Inu community." These developments can also help Shib reach the moon. Shib's market value realized value ratio marked a downtrend during late August. However, this movement has finally moved slightly upward, suggesting a price hike can be expected in the coming days. Moreover, exchange outflow also increased a little, further backing the possibility of a price surge soon. Apart from on-chain metrics and ecosystem updates, quite a few market indicators also indicated a price surge in the short term. The moving average convergence divergence and exponential moving average ribbon suggested a possible uptick. The former metric displayed a bullish crossover, and the latter showed a reduced difference between the 20-day and 55-day EMAs. Moreover, the Bollinger Bands also displayed that Shib's price was in a crunched zone, increasing the breakout possibility. With all the network developments and market indicators, there are chances of Shib showing an upward movement in the coming days. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.